How to use a flamethrower. First step. Hvad fanden? First step, buy a flamethrower. Second step, turn on the valve on the gas tank. Fourth step, remember? Fuck. Third step, turn on the flamethrower. Remember, never ever. Warning, remember to turn on the valve. Warning, never use it at other persons. Remember, never point it at your face. And warning, And warning. Jeg er klar. Den filmer. During the war, the flamethrower was used to burn Nazis and Japanese. Fiction. Hey, there's a stalker.